Old boots carry me down these hills, through morning frost and evening's chill. My horse knows every western trail, where time moves slow as an old freight rail. Left a good woman back in town. She wanted roots, I couldn't slow down. Some hearts just need the open space. Can't cage what time won't erase. Rain and dust become my friends. Each mile marks where freedom begins. No fence could hold what burns in me, wild as the wind and twice as free. Campfire's all the warmth I need. These mountain pines, they plant no seed. The stars above don't judge my ways. They just keep shining through my days. Rain and dust become my friends. Each mile marks where freedom begins. No fence could hold what burns in me, wild as the wind and twice as free. Some trails lead straight home, mine just leads on.